Hi everyone, welcome to Maritime Pakistan. From AI-powered ships to green energy solutions, the maritime industry is undergoing a revolution in 2025. Whether it's global trade, naval security, or environmental protection, new technologies are reshaping the seas. In this video, we'll explore the top maritime innovations of 2025 that are transforming how ships sail, how ports operate, and how oceans are protected. First up, autonomous and smart ships. In 2025, more companies are testing AI-driven vessels that require minimal human crew. These ships use advanced navigation systems, real-time weather analysis, and collision avoidance AI to ensure safer and more efficient journeys. Imagine a ship that can plan its route, avoid storms, and even dock itself at port, all with minimal human intervention. Second, green energy is taking center stage. With stricter emission regulations, shipping companies are adopting LNG, hydrogen fuel cells, wind-assisted propulsion, and solar-powered systems. The International Maritime Organization aims for a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, and 2025 is a big leap forward. Many vessels this year are already being retrofitted with hybrid systems that cut fuel costs and reduce pollution.
Third, ports are becoming smarter. Automation and AI-powered logistics are speeding up cargo handling, reducing waiting times, and cutting human error. Drones are now being used for container inspection, while IoT devices track cargo in real time. Smart ports not only increase efficiency, but also strengthen global supply chains, something the world learned the hard way during pandemic disruptions.
Another breakthrough in 2025 is maritime cybersecurity and digital twin technology. As ships and ports become more digital, the risk of hacking grows. Companies are investing heavily in advanced firewalls and monitoring systems. Meanwhile, digital twins, virtual replicas of ships, help engineers predict maintenance issues before they happen, saving both money and lives at sea. Finally, we can't forget ocean protection technologies. New robotic vessels are cleaning up plastic waste while underwater drones monitor coral reefs and illegal fishing activities. This innovation ensures that global trade doesn't come at the cost of marine ecosystems. From autonomous ships to green energy and ocean cleaning robots, maritime technology in 2025 is setting sail toward a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable future. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from the world of maritime technology.